Hello guys, today I want to show you guys my new system from LaVivid. I just got this by mail. As you guys can see, they sent this card here, and this card you guys can see all the instructions and tips how to take care of your system and everything you need to know to make your system take longer than usually they take. So here you guys can see information about dyeing your system, about the system's difference between Eros and Mirage. I showed you guys those systems in other videos. So here you guys have some tips, and you guys have the phone number, the email for informations. This card is really nice because you guys can have like more information about the LaVivid system. And here it's my new system. So let me show you guys. So usually when you buy the system from LaVivid, you receive the box, and then inside usually they send this in a plastic bag. So let me show you guys. Look at this. I always tell you guys that I love the hair from LaVivid. As you guys can see, the quality of the hair is always so good. Look at here, I have the tag. Usually with the tag you guys can see what is the model. This is the Aries, and here you have number 2. This is my color. The color of my hair is number 2, and you have size 8 by 10. So usually if you buy this for the first time, you can send them a sample, and then they can figure out what is the color of your hair system. So this is really nice. So here you have like a little protection. Just let me open this so you guys can see. Okay, so here you take out the protection, and you guys can see, look, this is amazing. This system, it's not pre-cut. LaVivid offer you the pre-cut hair. So I asked this time for no pre-cut because I want to do another video showing you guys how I pre-cut this system. So I asked for no pre-cut, okay? So let me show you guys what is different in this hair system here. For the first time, I'm gonna show you guys this kind of system that is not a whole PU, a whole second skin. This one is front lace, right? So it's lace all in the top, and they have like second skin just around. So why I choose this system this time? I want to try something different, because usually when you have a second skin, your skin doesn't breathe, so the water doesn't come through, because the second skin don't let the water go through. And in this case here, she can go through your head. Your head skin is gonna breathe better. So I want to try this, and definitely lace is one option when you want something really natural in your front line. So look at this, for example. Let me try to get here. So this is the front lace. If you want something that looks really natural, I would recommend this, because this makes you have a front line that looks really natural. And you see they don't have a lot of hair in the front, so it's not gonna be like full of hair here. They start with a little bit of hair here, and then they start gonna getting thick and thick. So this looks so much more natural. And look at the quality of the hair. I love LaVivid because the quality of their hair is just incredible. So this one was my first kind of lace. When I started using something like this, because let me breathe, and at the same time you can put all the tape around here. So when you tape your system, you tape all around here, and this make you feel like really secure, really comfortable at the same time. And here you can tape to, you can glue here in the front, you can tape to, works depends of what you want. So this was my first system when I started using, and I decided to try the LaVivid one. And the material is definitely so much better than the one I had before. And this density is usually the density I get. You see, I can have like, I can see the scalp of my hair. I'm sorry, the scalp of my head. And this looks like so much more natural. your head can breathe much better, and the water can come through, and this make like you feel you wearing basically nothing during your day. So basically this is everything I want to show you guys in this video. Thank you LaVivid again for my system. Here I want to show you guys again all the informations, all the informations about my system. Okay, here you guys can have the name, the color, and the size that I bought. Hope you guys has enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Have a good one.